Good day, or welcome back to South Africa, and this is South Africa Prepper. So firstly, I hope you are all enjoying your long weekend and Easter, and may you enjoy the time with your family. So during this week, the Institute of Race Relations in South Africa, this institute does extremely good work. They normally do some polling as well, so the polling is in regards to the support that each political party currently is standing on. So I found in the past that they're fairly accurate, I must say. So they've done a poll in the last week, and in this poll you can see that the DA is rising over 30%, and then the ANC is falling below 29%, so, or 30%. So the reason why I'm making a video about this is because if we look into Africa's history, you'll find that as soon as a political party or a government entity in Africa has been in power for as long as the ANC has, they tend to not want to give up power of the country. So what we have seen the last 10 months or so since the government of national unity was formed is that the ANC has been able to still implement extremely radical policies and regulations and legislation. And we have to ask ourselves the question is, how is it possible if the ANC only got 40%, that they are so much still in power that they can actually change legislation, regulations and acts and so forth. So if you look back in Africa, like I said, you'll see that these people tend to want to keep power, and that's actually a big red flag for me. I do think that the ANC will do any and everything to hold on to their power. Look, they've been sucking from the pig's tit for 50 years now, okay? They've benefited massively financially from being in power in South Africa, and I've got the feeling, and I'm getting the idea, that they are not going to just relinquish the power to a second-rate party like the DA. So please be aware of this. This channel is a prepping channel, so you need to be awake for what's happening. This could potentially lead to some kind of a revolt against the South African people if the ANC doesn't stay in power. Remember, they still have the levers of power when it comes to the army and the police, although we do know that they are both dysfunctional entities, but they still have the levers of power, although the levers of power is extremely weak. So please remember that, keep on preparing, make sure that you understand that the ANC will not just give up power. They've shown this, especially the last 4 months. They've shown this to us, that even with 40%, they are still able to change rules, regulations and acts in South Africa. It's actually quite scary if you think about it. And I think once they fall below 30%, as this poll actually shows, they are going to do something maybe extreme and radical to stay in power, like most African countries and most African leaders actually do. You can go back, you can go have a look at Zimbabwe, Mugabe. The stuff that he did to stay in power was crazy. And I mean, he was in power on his own for more than 50 years. So I don't think the ANC will not do something like this. They will definitely want to stay in power, because if they stay in power, you know, they keep the financial benefits of it. Please like, share and subscribe. Enjoy a long weekend, and God bless.